Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 15th of June with me, Rich Power Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar corrected into the close last night on the Fed and has continued lower as this dollar has sort of remained on a strengthening path since that Fed meeting. Will it now break that 1165 level? That's certainly is in a bit of a turnaround mode. So 1165 only around 10-15 ticks away now, so a breakdown below that would start to sort of see this market rolling over and sort of range coming under pressure to the downside. That 11 big figure pivot I still think is at a key level of support that the market would be looking out for, but at the moment this correction from that intraday high of 12.95 yesterday. That intraday move initially came on the back of the weaker inflation, the weaker retail sales, but then the Fed last night suggested that it was going to be remaining hawkish in its hiking cycle. So yeah, this is an interesting one because I still think the market is questioning the Fed, but the dollar is strengthening on the back of that. If you look at the bond yields, for example, yield curve flattening doesn't necessarily sort of instill too much confidence in the Fed tightening, but still the dollar is strengthening nonetheless near term. But 1165 initially supportive, and then 11 big figure as the pivot. So you see this hourly chart. Get rid of that now. See this hourly chart, which is, as I said, rolling over, but at 1160, I mean, I've got on this hourly chart 1160 as a pivot, so that is still intact, and the hourly momentum back to 30 on the RSI, that has tended to be where the support comes in, so this will be an interesting test, this 1165 level of support today. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.